What's happening, RecTech family? Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy Thanksgiving turkey gravy. Check it out. So what we're going to do is take about 64 ounces of chicken broth, and we're going to turn this chicken broth into turkey broth, if you will. So we're going to put this in here. Let me turn this on. And we're going to add 1 stick of butter. We're going to get a bundle of rosemary and a bundle of thyme. This smells like Thanksgiving, you know what I mean? Get you some butcher twine and just tie this bundle together so it's easy to get out. And you're going to throw that in there. This makes the house smell great too around Thanksgiving. And I usually get this going first thing in the morning and let it kind of stew all day. But put that in there. And then you want to take the giblets out of the turkey. We also want to trim this excess off the turkey here at the back. And we're going to put that in there as well. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. I use Sriracha. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of our Casanova rub. I also added 2 tablespoons of Better Than Bouillon chicken base. Bring that to a boil. Let everything kind of mingle together. Bring those flavors together. Bring out about half of that mixture to inject into your turkey, and then the other half we're going to make into a gravy. So we're going to let this boil for about 15 minutes. We'll show you the next step. See you in a minute. So this is real easy. We've got this at a rolling boil. And then basically I just buy 3 packs of mixture. I've got the classic turkey gravy. I've got brown gravy, and I got a pack of au jus. We're gonna whisk this in. Try to whisk it in a little bit slowly so you don't get it lumpy. Then what we're gonna do is bring this down to a simmer, and you let that reduce throughout the day while your turkey's cooking till it gets to the right consistency. Makes the house smell like Thanksgiving as well. When it gets to the right consistency, I turn this off, and then when everything's being served up, I turn the stove on real quick, bring it up to temp, and it's ready to go. So I like to cook this early in the day. That way everything's ready to roll when it's time to eat. And just whisk those in, let that boil. Cut up your giblet. As a matter of fact, in the South, a lot of people even put hard-boiled eggs in their gravy at Thanksgiving. In the comments below, you should tell us if you like hard-boiled eggs. I'd be interested to know how many people know about that and do that. So add that in. Again, whisk it, turn it to low, bring it down to the consistency you like, and let that go. It's as simple as that. It couldn't get any easier. Everybody goes nuts over this gravy, and I always kind of giggle to myself because it's so simple. All right, so this turkey gravy could not be easier. We let it simmer till it got to the right consistency, and then when you're ready to serve, you just bring it up to temp, let it start simmering a little bit, bring it to a slight boil, and we don't have a ladle, so we're gonna use this, and let me show you how beautiful this is. Just a nice consistency right here, a beautiful color, and I'll tell you what, that rosemary and thyme, that bundle we put in there is what makes all the difference in the world, and this stuff is incredible. And let me give it a taste here. People go bananas over this, but look at that consistency. All right, let me give it a taste. That is spectacular, man. Wow your friends with this recipe. Like I said, it's incredibly easy. Do it your next time you're doing a turkey or anything for that matter. Take care and visit rectechgrills.com.